Well, I've got it here. It was only about 7 degrees when I picked it up this morning. There were about a dozen little bees stuck on the outside of it that obviously were a bit late getting home last night. I was able to pick those up by hand and kept them. There's the little bees that were on the outside of the hive this morning. I put a little bit of icing sugar in there with them, as suggested by Phil Chandler on the net. They're all quite happily coming back to life. A couple were quite stiff when I got up there. Didn't even react to me picking them up. Using a goose feather, of course. Another of Phil Chandler's ideas. In preparation, I've levelled that pallet. I've got some boards under the pallet to stop any moisture coming up from the ground, or limit the amount of moisture coming up from the ground. Secured it behind that shed because I'm very subjected to, very strong southerly winds here, and that will protect them from the south. Half off. I've just reversed the process, placed the pipes under, let it loose, lift the trailer, and she just slides off. There, but by geez, it's easy getting it on than getting it off when you're standing him up. Bit further. Looks like I've got a few escapees on the outside. I sprinkled a little bit of icing sugar and they'll be fine. And it's a bit further. And there she be, all stood up. The bloody thing's taller than I thought. I'm 5 foot, it's over my head. Must be 6 foot. Oh well. Well worth the effort. Surprising what one person, a jack, hydraulic jack, and a winch can do. Well, they are. Off finding out where they are now and exploring their new home. Back to the way that was originally. Well, it was in the tree. They should be happy, hopefully. Now to wait till next spring. I'll unwrap it slowly over the next week.